This is Mutton Hollow in Jefferson County, where many homes are fragrant with the smell of a Christmas tradition. One look and you'll know how it got its name, and Maude Lindsey will teach us how to make it, an old-fashioned stack cake.
Stack cakes have been around for a long time, and the recipe I have has been handed down generation to generation.
In the mountains, it's called a fruitcake, although the fruit is mostly apples. The recipe is simple, but the process is as slow as Christmas, the only time of year most people have a chance to make a stack cake.
Oh, our apples are cooking good. They're getting back to their normal size before they were dried. Okay, let me check the recipe and see what's next. Bring on the baking soda, the baking powder, 1 cup of white sugar,
Salt,
salt,
white sugar, right there.
2 eggs,
White sugar, 2 eggs,
1/2 cup butter,
2 eggs, 2 eggs, spoon,
spoon,
2 spoons, 2 spoons,
2 spoons,
2 spoons, measuring spoons,
measuring spoons,
measuring spoons,
measuring spoons,
measuring cup,
measuring cups.
measuring cups. About running out of gear over here, Maude.
Bill, did you hide my measuring spoons?
Yeah, they're over here.
Okay, excuse me.
Sorry. We're making some progress now.
Good, good. We're getting there, aren't we? We'll have a cake for Christmas, won't we?
Mm-hmm.
Bill, did you get the vanilla in it?
Vanilla.
The vanilla, we'll need some flavoring in that cake.
Enough.
That should do it.
You deliberately got a small bowl for me, Maude, didn't you?
Well, it looks that way, don't it, Bill? Okay, Bill, pass the pans over here, and we're ready to put it in the pans.
3 pans?
3 pans.
This-
Try your luck on one, Bill. Mine's ready to bake, Bill.
Oh.
Okay, Bill, you sling this one. Be careful, don't burn yourself. It's hot.
You got an extra one. Uh-oh. Dang, that hurt. Making a stack cake's kind of an endurance test, isn't it?
Like so. You make a stack cake like you had been making stack cakes forever.
It's like laying brick. How high can you go on a stack
Oh,
cake?
just as high as it will stand. 8 or 10 is the highest I have ever seen one.
But the reason Maude makes her stack cake every year has nothing to do with the number of layers.
Most of all, I'd like to have my family all together at Christmas to eat this stack cake. It's not Christmas without a stack cake.